I bought a DeWitt, boy, what do you call them? Make it so your tree isn't crooked. Stakes, twine kit, stake straighten kit for trees. Yeah, so this tree I have right here was pretty crooked. So I just straightened it out. Some tips before we get started, before you watch this video and you'll see some of the mistakes I made. What, Ethan?
Never mind.
All right, some of the mistakes I made. One was this support thing here that wraps around the tree. You need to kind of tie it. You don't just twist it. You actually want to tie it to the tree, because if you don't tie it, it'll keep slipping out. So the first thing you do is tie that to the tree. Place the stakes in first, also around the tree, and then tie one end and the other end goes there. That's my quick tips. You're gonna stand over there? All right, so this tree right here, as you guys can see, I don't know if you can tell, but it's pretty bent, pretty sideways there. And we need to get this bad boy straight. So I bought this. It's a DeWitt tree support, and it came with 3 spikes with little holes through them, a long strap that we wrap around the tree, a third little strap, I believe, for the stake, and then I don't know if there's multiple twines, let's see, or if it's one big one. Oh, there's one. So there's 3 pieces of twine. Let's see what we can do. So I think we'll start with staking. Ethan, let's stake, bud. I need that. All right, so it says to plant these, I don't know, not too far away. So I'm just gonna go probably close to, oh, this is about 3 feet, looks like, away from the tree. Not putting it down too far, just enough to make sure it's in there. Oh, don't know if I need that quite yet there, Ethan, but I'm gonna need it. So I'm not even sure if I really need 3 of them, but all right, Ethan, let's see. Help her. We'll put them down a little bit here. Hopefully I don't hit, I know I've got little drip lines in here, so hopefully I don't hit those. That would really not be a good idea. So anyway, all right, so we put those stakes in about 3 feet apart. I think we're gonna need to wrap this around the trunk. All right, so I kind of rigged it, so this is kind of, yeah, there we go. I think that's gonna help. That's gonna help a little bit. So, let's see.
I know what you should do.
What do you think? Does that look a little straighter, Ethan?
Yeah.
All right, come here, I need your help.
A hammer?
No, I just need your help. I need you to come hold this tree. Come here. Come underneath. Come right over here. Stand right over here, buddy. Over here, stand. Come over here. Okay, and I want you, no, it's gonna kind of push it up. Just like that. Leave it. Yep. Push. There we go. All right, keep pushing. Keep pushing. All right, just a second. Tie another knot.
Oh gosh, I can't hold it for much long.
You can't hold it for much longer? All right, let go. Let's see. Well, that's better.
It's like a full underneath.
All right, let's do this one. Look, we got another one we got to do now right here.
Do I have to?
Yeah, I need your support. I need you to be here just so. Let's see if Daddy's doing this right. All right, so this one I don't want it to be too tight because ultimately we want this to, really want it to be this other way. And it says you gotta leave some give when I looked on the line. Leave some give for this, so I'm leaving a little bit of slack on this side. Get that a little tighter this time. You got it? You holding it for me?
Yep.
Alright, that's good. Just like that.
Do I have to use all my strength?
Nope, just that much strength. As much as you got right there. That's perfect. Yep, doing a good job. Alright, that's what we did.
How can I let go?
Yes.
There we go. That's better.
Okay, hold on. We got one more string. We're gonna go on this side. All right. Whew. It's a little bit harder than I thought. I thought it was only gonna be a 5-minute project, guys. Yep. That's what happens when you don't know what you're doing. And you're not very good at.
It's already straight.
You're not very good at. Yeah, do-it-yourself projects. That is not my strength. I'll tell you that right now. Okay. I think that's pretty good. Let's see. All right. Well, guys, I think maybe I did okay here. Just gonna wrap these up a little bit, tight them, tight a little bit. Now, I'm not really sure what to do with this excess twine. I think we'll cut it. Ah!
That is really boring.
This is alright. You can let go, bud. Thanks.
Bye.
Where are you going? Ride your bike?
Yeah.
Alright.
Okay.
No, because we gotta take a bath
Oh.
or a shower. You gotta go take a shower. Okay, so one more tighten over here. Holy moly. This thing, it looks more straight than it, definitely straighter than it was, guys. I don't know how straight this will last, but it'll last. Probably late in the season too. But let's show you. Okay, come back. Wow, lots of dust in my hair. Okay. Don't know if you can see, but that is definitely straighter. Still at a little bit of an angle, but I don't think I'm going to be able to get it to be unangled. This tree's actually been here for 2 years now, but every year it seems to do this all over. All right, so now you can see how I kind of twisted this around and tied it, and this is it's still got give to it, so it'll be able to blow in the wind. I'm a little nervous about this. As you can see, I had some twine last season. I don't know if you can see, but it definitely damaged the trunk. You can see the twine marks there, so I don't think you're supposed to leave these on for as long as I did. So all right, we'll see. I'm gonna cut these off so it doesn't look so bad, but there we go, guys. All right, thank you for watching. Like the video, subscribe to the channel if you want some do-it-yourself tips from a guy that has no idea how to do anything himself. So